Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful mixtures Nkwobi. Yes, this is chicken Nkwobi. I used native fowl for this Nkwobi. If you can get native fowl, you can go for your old layers. It will give you a great and amazing taste. So sit back and enjoy. I seasoned my chicken with thyme, salt, Benny spice, and nut cubes for 4 hours in the freezer, and I brought it out. So right now I'm adding pepper, and I will be also adding my ginger and garlic paste with onion, and I will put to boil. You can season yours and leave in your freezer overnight, still no problem. Just allow for something like 4 hours or 5 to marinate in the freezer before I use. Right now my chicken is boiling. I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste. I'll allow it to cook very well, and I will leave just a little stock, a little liquid down there, because I'll be needing it when I'm mixing all the other ingredients. Right now my chicken is ready. Look at that. You can see the liquid down there. That's the stock. I'll be using it later. So here I'll be using my Oba African oil bean. This is my Ehero African nutmeg. I've already grounded it. Here is Otaze. My palm oil, I have onions I've already cut, and I have my crayfish, my red oil, and also potash water that I've already sieved out. If you don't have your potash water, you can go for your account if it's available. Here is my potash water. I'll be adding a little potash water to the palm oil. So I will keep turning till I get that beautiful orange color. That is what I'll be using for this mixture. So take your time and do this. We'll call this ngo or forongo or egbango in Igbo language. So feel free to cream yours till you have this sweet and amazing looking orange color. Will I call it socks? So keep doing this. You can see it's thickening up because of the presence of the potash water. Keep doing this. Why I'm adding more oil? Because I need more of it in this my Nkwobi, because what I'm preparing is much, so I don't want it to look so dry. So I want more of the liquid. That's the sauce. That's why I'm adding more. So I will stir it up till I'm okay before I start adding other ingredients. Right now I'm super okay with these lovely socks, so I will go ahead to add my Ehero. This is my African nutmeg. Like I said before, if you have the dry one, you can fry a little and you open and pound, or you can get the fried one in the market. So I just added the crayfish. I will keep stirring a little before I will add my Oba. Don't forget I added salt, Maggi, that's my nut cubes, into my chicken. So don't expect me to add right here. So I have just added my Oba. This is my oil bean. I will still stir very well, and you can see how beautiful it's looking. I'll be pouring in my chicken right now. Is when you pour the chicken and you taste, you're not okay with the taste, you can add extra salt or any seasoning cube. For now, don't add anything till you're sure the taste is not good enough when you've added the chicken with the chicken stock right inside. Take your time to combine everything and you test. Right, I love black pepper, this Ghana pepper. I don't joke with this pepper. I normally use it not for the hotness alone, but the amazing taste it gives to food. I'm so comfortable with it. So right now I sprinkled extra salt to it because I'm not okay with the taste, but the seasoning cubes were okay. So the taste were okay, so I prefer going for the salt. So after mixing everything together, so right now you need to get the onions. Pour in your onions and you get your otazi ready. Pour in the onions, you get the otazi ready and you add. Just add a little. The otazi has a very bitter taste, so you have to add just small. For people that likes it though, if you're serving people that don't like it, just sprinkle a little for garnishing. Please don't put right inside, but I love it right inside because my husband loves otazi so much. So you can see our chicken Nkwobi is ready. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this chicken Nkwobi is looking. You would not understand till you try it. Try it and you'll come back to thank me. This time I have to dish it out. It's time to dish it out. Please, if today is your first time of watching my video, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, you're really welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes. I do so many things, pastries, a lot you will love. Please go ahead to join and be a part of this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Thanks for watching.